still like the wind take pause from Blue Mountain Hill. Every note you hum my soul remembers. My heart ignite like Caribbean embers.
Me no need riches, me no need gold. Just sing to me, I'ma feel whole.
Your melody wrap around me like breeze, and my troubles them just ease.
Your voice is prayer and prophecy. It pulled me close so tenderly. The world could spin out of control, but your soul restore my soul. When you sing to me, my heart feels low, like church bell echo or rivers flow.
It's in the pitch, it's in the pause. You make me feel like me have a cause. Every note of love letter me never read. When you sing to me, me finally free.
No auto-tune, no studio tricks, just you and me in this life mix. From garden path to city light, you sing me through the darkest night.
Me close my eyes and hear you near. My voice is yours, my dear, even if you never say I love you clear. When you sing, me know you're here.
When you sing to me, my burdens fall. I feel my name when you call. Even silence when shared with you feel like a verse me always knew. So sing again and let me believe when you sing to me.